She's got eyes like crystal water, lips like cherry wine, a body like fine brandy, but a soul like turpentine. Now, mama, you treat your daddy so mean. When I ask you for water, you give me gasoline. My baby's so doggone evil, she's evil all the time. Want you to kill me, so you'll have it on your mind. Now, mama, you treat your daddy so damn mean. When I ask you for water, you bring me gasoline. My baby said she loved me. She even told me so. Said that in a letter and left it 15 years ago. Now, mama, you treat your daddy so damn mean. When I ask you for water, you bring me gasoline. Yeah, when I ask you for water, you bring me gasoline. You bring me gas. Thank you, folks. Thank you.